Hey, this is Alex from Linbay team, and today we are going to talk about the saw blade. When you start notice that your saw blade is making more noise, or you can notice a big burns in every section that it's cutting, that means that a saw blade needs a change. It needs to be a new one, or you can polish. So in this case, what we need to do for make this change? First, we need to close the lubrication system. Once we close this lubrication system, we can stop the machine with the emergency stop and turn off the machine. Then we can start working. This is just for safety. Well, we need to take the case. After we take the case, we need to open. So right now, I only need to take one screw. When we take the screw, we need to make sure that we have a safety base. You can notice this is for safety. This is going to, or we need to use it. But now we need to take the saw blade carefully. So the saw blade is really important because we need to take care of this part. We need to make sure that it's in the right position. So every time it will cut in the clockwise. So that's why we need to pay attention on how we install the saw blade. For example, if we install it in the wrong way, we are just going to damage the blade and it's not going to make a nice cut. That's why we need to make sure it's the right position every time it's cutting. So after we have the new one, or we already polished this one, we are going to install it on the same way. We need to find the holes for the base. Then we can tie again. And it has to be really tight. After we tie this one, we close the case, and then we can make one manually cut to make sure that the blade is working fine. After we make this manual cut, we can start working in automatic, and that's all for the video. Don't forget to use your lubrication system, and don't forget to make your maintenance every time.